God still moves. This is Dr. Billy Alsbrooks, and I am blessed and unstoppable. I'm just sending this video to you to let you know about this powerful, life-changing personal development seminar we got going on tomorrow in Los Angeles. Listen, if you are getting this video, if you are seeing this, you are not watching this by mistake. Destiny is calling tomorrow. Listen, we're going to be going 5 hours tomorrow from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. And we're going to be fully dedicated to helping you get to the next level. We're going to help you get a vision for your life. We're going to show you your God champion identity. We're going to show you how to get the inside right, how to detox emotionally. We're going to show you how to adopt the mindset of a warrior. We're going to show you how to persevere when things don't go right. We're going to show you how to get mountain moving faith tomorrow. You need to be there. You're not watching this by mistake. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. Opportunity has a mindset required to see it. Can you see it, champion? I know you can. I'm going to attach the link to this event, to this video. I want you to click right now, get your tickets, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't put off any longer being that best version of you, that one that you know you are supposed to be. Come on, I'll see you tomorrow. God bless.